Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said state governments will be consulted while preparing the nationwide National Register of Citizens. According to media reports, Prasad stated that some data collected by National Population Register may or may not be used for the NRC exercise. According to media reports, Prasad stated that some data collection for National Population Registration (NPR) may or may not be used for the NRC exercise. The minister's remarks come in the backdrop of several state governments opposing the implementation of a nationwide NRC. An Indian national was among 6 people killed and dozens were injured when 2 buses crashed into a truck in Egypt's Suez Governorate yesterday, according to a media report. The buses were heading to beach resort town Hurghada when one of them hit the truck on Sokna Zafarana Road, followed by the second bus also crashing in, the Egypt Independent reported. The report also informed the deceased include an Indian man, 2 Malaysians and 3 Egyptians. Manipur gymnast team has won the 5th team champion title for boys under 12 years category at the 28th Sub-Junior Artistic Gymnastics Boys and Girls held at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. In floor exercise, the team won a gold and bronze medal. As the biting cold wave continues to keep Delhi shivering, the lowest temperature in the city was recorded at 3.6 degrees Celsius today. This was 1.2 degrees higher than Saturday's recorded breaking 2.4 degrees Celsius. Delhi had a record of 3.4 degrees Celsius yesterday, making it the coldest day of the season. Dense fog enveloped the city, reducing visibility and affecting air traffic and vehicular movement in the streets. A US astronaut set a record for the longest single space flight by a woman, breaking the old mark of 288 days with about 2 months left in her mission. Christina Koch, a 40-year-old electrical engineer from Livingston, Montana, arrived at the International Space Station on March 14. She broke the record set by former Space Station Commander Peggy Whitson in 2016-2017.